Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Audi Q7 key fob battery. First, let's gather the necessary items. You'll need one new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is widely available. Additionally, grab a small flathead screwdriver or a similar thin prying tool. This quick and easy process typically takes less than 5 minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's begin by accessing the emergency key. Look for a small release button, usually located on the side or back of your Audi Q7 key fob. Press this button firmly and then slide the metal emergency key out. This key is essential for the next step and also serves as a manual backup if your fob battery ever dies unexpectedly. With the emergency key removed, it's time to open the fob. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into the seam or a designated slot and gently pry the two halves apart. Once open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Carefully remove it, making sure to note which side, positive or negative, was facing up. Then, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's in the correct orientation. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly until they snap securely into place. Next, slide the metal emergency key back into its designated slot until you hear a click, indicating it's fully seated. Now, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your Audi Q7 to ensure the new battery is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.